What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when you're stuck on matchmaking when looking for a match in Fortnite. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In case you're stuck searching for a game, or if this happens to you from time to time, then make sure that you're using the correct server location to play Fortnite. In your game settings, set the matchmaking region to automatic, which can change when finding a lower latency to another server. You should also prevent using a VPN service when playing Fortnite, as this can induce server-related lag or even prevent you from finding a match. If the problem persists, then make sure to close Fortnite and open up your Epic Games launcher. Your client might be disconnected from the server. Make sure that your friend list is appearing online, or log in to the correct account in your Epic Games launcher. In addition, the Epic Games servers are having issues or your own network connection is not reliable. You should also make sure that your game files are complete and up to date. In your games library, click on the burger menu for Fortnite and select Verify. This will take a minute to make sure that your game files are complete and up to date. While this is loading, open up your favorite browser and visit status.epicgames.com. This will show you the server status for Fortnite matchmaking, game services, and other services. These should all be operational in order to prevent being stuck when looking for a match. Below, you can preview current and past incidents for server-related issues. These are common when servers are overwhelmed as a lot of players queue at the same time when a new big update is out. In case nothing helps you out and you're still stuck looking for a match, then the issue is most likely related to your own network connection. Make use of a speed testing app or website such as speedtest.net. Here, you can preview your average latency, download and upload speed. You will need to have a stable download speed in order to properly join a Fortnite game on your PC or console. To quickly improve your network connection, make sure to restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while. You should also prevent having too many devices using the same network connection. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.